Hello, welcome to the weather update. It's 10:30, a little bit late tonight, July 3rd, and pretty nice day today, I gotta say. A little hot out there, unfortunately. No, I was not up to going to the Pines, which is unfortunate, but it was we did clear out in the afternoon, but it was pretty warm out there, and after what happened last time, me overheating, I was afraid, so I didn't do it. Once it's above 80. But it was a really nice day today. Again, there's something wrong with me, so you got to understand that. Really nice day. We have mostly clear skies right now. Let's go look at the MODIS satellite, and we'll take a look and we'll see what we have here. So this is what we start off with all these clouds. But then by the afternoon, clouds pushed south of the area. There was some cumulus development here and there, but other than that, by afternoon, it was really nice outside. Let's look at our current temperatures outside right now, and you see it is cooling off to around 70, believe it or not, in Carl Place. Well, unfortunately, it's still like 78 in the alley, so we're not getting any of that. 70 at Islip, and dew point 57. So let's take a look at what the day was like at Islip today. And you will see here that we had... I don't know why it is saying broken clouds and haze. That I do not understand. I don't know where that came from. But other than that, we were fairly clear, at least here in Nassau County. Clear skies, you can see mid-80s for much of the day today. The dew points at times were not that low. And you'll see that a sea breeze did develop it, but a very weak sea breeze today. I was on the South Shore and it only provided a little bit of relief. I guess maybe if you were right on the water. It did. If we throw the dew points in here, you'll see again those dew points there, generally in the 50s. So they're coming down a little bit tonight because the winds are shifting back toward the north, a more northerly direction. Obviously, the city's still holding on to the heat. 81. That's like my alley right there. Meanwhile, if you're in Jersey and Tom's, it's dropping nicely, getting that radiational cooling already. 64 with a dew point of 59. But I'm sure it was pretty warm during the day there. So let's go look at the high temperatures for the day. I'm sure everybody's going to probably pretty much be in the mid-80s when we look at these high temperatures. 84, 85, 84, 86. So it's still a little warmer in Toms River by a couple of degrees. 88 as you go further west. 93 in Newark. So generally mid-80s, except for the Newark area, which is like ridiculously hot. Is that Newark? That is Newark. Why is Newark so hot? But upper 80s at Teterboro there for a high. So upper 80s in mid to upper 80s in Jersey, mid 80s across Long Island. And like I said, a pretty decent day. It's a little warm out there. And again, if we looked at the dew points, you saw that they weren't that low during the afternoon. So, if it's above 80, you've got to have dew points slightly below 55 and a decent breeze for me to be able to take it. Otherwise, I just can't, unfortunately. Although it was pretty nice outside, especially during the afternoon. We did have a nice sky. So let's just take a look at the rest of the weekend here. I'm not really going to go into too much detail into... what about that tropical system? It already dissipated. So nothing really going on with that. Really, I'm not going to focus on that in this weather update. We are going to focus on tomorrow. And pretty much tomorrow, and that's it. And we'll have a much longer weather update for you tomorrow night because we're out late and I have other stuff to upload, including a fireworks show that we viewed from Mineola at East Hills. So, looking at this precipitation, you see we're dry. Our next chance of rain isn't going to come in until Tuesday. That's when we have our next chance of rain, next chance of showers. All right, let's look at the dew points here and the wind flow. So, you'll see tonight, the winds go back toward more of a northerly direction, so that's going to lower the dew points. And we're going to see dew points drop into the 40s for tomorrow. You see nice dry air. And we start off with dew points in the 40s, and then they start rising a little bit with more of a southerly wind in the afternoon, bringing that humidity back. But generally, dew points going to be in the 40s, and it should be I think it'll be more comfortable than today with the lower dew points. And then you see by Tuesday, we're back into the humidity again. All right, let's go look at our temperatures for tomorrow, and we are looking at the HRRR here. I think we will have similar temperatures to today, maybe a touch cooler, but I still think we're going to see mid-80s, probably well into the mid-80s, and maybe upper 80s to near 90 in Jersey before the sea breeze comes and drops those temperatures down later on in the day. And then for Tuesday, you could see also mid-80s as well. With the humidity, it'll be more uncomfortable. Let's go look at the skies next. And for the skies for tomorrow, it's showing a little bit of cirrus here, but it may not. This may be overdone. This may be overdone because I don't really see a whole lot on the satellite. But hopefully we can get those blue skies tomorrow again. Though again, it's going to be a little too hot tomorrow for a hike, unfortunately for me. And I can't even get there because Suffolk County Transit doesn't even run on because it's a holiday, which is ridiculous. But you see it is showing some cirrus level clouds over there. I'm sure that's what those are. This is the really only difficult part of tomorrow's forecast is the sky. Here's the NAM, and it's showing mostly clear skies again. So it is a little difficult. There's one other tool we can use to tell us what the sky will look like. Right now, it does not look like we'd see even a lot of cumulus develop with that dry air, but we might have some upper level moisture. So let me go to this tool here, and we'll look at this is the European model. So this kind of shows us the humidity, and what we can do is we can look at the humidity aloft at, say, 250. All right, so you can see we have dry air aloft right now. So let's see what happens. This is 7 a.m. tomorrow. You can see a little moisture moving in there around 12. There's a little bit, but it's not that high. It's still low. It's still low enough. Let's see by the afternoon. It has a little higher moisture over the east and a little less moisture over the west here, where it's drier. All right, so this is 250. Let's move this up to 300. So it's dry at 300. So I think we're gonna have a mostly sunny day tomorrow. I really do. I think we'll have some nice skies. It's really showing dry air at all levels. So I think tomorrow should be very nice. A very nice day. It's just gonna be a little on the warm side again. We'll visualize the temperatures again with the Ventu Sky model here with the temperatures for your 4th. But I think the 4th will be absolutely perfect for your day tomorrow. So you can see we'll be in the mid 80s. But you'll see a sea breeze. A sea breeze will develop in the afternoon here and cooling off the South Shore, but we'll be in the mid 80s. Starting off in the 70s, and then it'll probably make its way up to the mid 80s later on. Then you can see more of that sea breeze kick in. A really strong sea breeze probably tomorrow, much stronger than today, which will bring much more relief in for the South Shore. And it's showing a sea breeze in Jersey as well. I'm not going to really completely buy that. It could, but I doubt we'll see that. But you can see a really strong sea breeze. Here we are, 5 o'clock. Really nice sea breeze across Long Island there. So it will be a very nice day tomorrow. It is unfortunate that Suffolk County Transit does not run because, again, if we go here, you'll see what happens. I go here. This is not weather. So let's just click here, and it says only S10C, S92 will be running, and all the others will not operate. That is ridiculous, by the way. I'm going to call that out in a community post. They should be running. That's ridiculous. I guess they just want to leave people stranded so they can be ripped off. It's the Long Island way. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and take care. And have a happy 4th of July.